A very good morning to all my dear and lovely students. I, Dr. Monika Jaiswal, is going to deliver my lecture on John Webster's play Duchess of Malfi. It is a revenge tragedy. It was written in 1623, and the play, it is a love story when the Duchess marries beneath her class and ends as a nightmare's tragedy as her two brothers undertake their revenge, destroying themselves in the process. Jacobean drama, it continued the trend of stage violence and horror set by Elizabethan tragedy. John Webster, he was born in 1580 and he died in 1632. He is a Jacobean dramatist, and now I will explain to you the major characters of the play. Duchess, she is the tragic heroine of this play. Bussola, the villain of this revenge tragedy. Antonio, the lover of Duchess. Ferdinand and Cardinal, they are the brothers of Duchess. Delio, he is the fast friend of Antonio. Carola is the Duchess' maid, and Julia is the Cardinal's mistress. And there are the three children of Antonio and Duchess. The only one, he is survived, and he symbolizes a hopeful future at the play's end. Now we will discuss Duchess of Malfi as a revenge tragedy. It is, as we know, in the revenge tragedies, there are the scenes of horrors, several tortures, murders, and sensational scenes. The play Duchess of Malfi, it is also of the same kind. As we know that Duchess, she gets married against the wishes of her brothers, and as a result she visits her doom. Revenge tragedy is different from other tragedies in the sense that the whole part of the tragedy will be based on revenge. In Shakespeare's Macbeth, though Macduff kills Macbeth to avenge the killing of his family, the play can't be called a revenge tragedy because Macbeth was the reason for his own tragic end. He initiated the dreadful killings which led to his downfall. But in the Duchess of Malfi, the Duchess' only fault was that she married against the will of her brothers. Another aspect of her tragedy is that the persons involved in the revenge ultimately feels remorse for what they have done, and in most cases it leads to their damnation. In the play, Ferdinand goes mad, the cardinal sees images, Bussola repents for his evil doings, and ultimately they face death in an ultimate way. So, from the above aspects, it is clear that John Webster's The Duchess of Malfi, it is a revenge tragedy. Thank you.